First, prepare soil media. Combining soil compost and topsoil in a 1:3 ratio can increase aeration, nutrients, water retention, and more. Second, mix well by stirring. Third, scoop into the pots. Fourth, remove gloves and poke holes with a pencil. Fifth, put in the seeds. I'm going to grow lettuces. Coriander. Pea sprouts. And also lady fingers. Sixth, wear gloves. Seventh, cover the holes. Eighth, spray fungicide and water. Ninth, make labels. Write the date, type, and number of seeds on each stick. Insert the stick label into the pot. Tenth and also the final step, place the pots under the sun.